Presenting Noise Tune Active Plus Bluetooth wireless neckband earphones. It is available in hot red, mint green, pop yellow, stealth black, garnet purple, jade green, and sapphire blue color variants. The box includes Bluetooth headphone, charging cable, 2 extra ear tips, user manual, and warranty registration card. This product comes with 35 x 2 x 2.5 centimeters dimensions and weighs just 30 grams. This lightweight earphone comes with ergonomically designed silicone wingtips for a secure fit, and the magnetic earbuds makes it easy for storing when not in use. It also has IPX5 water and sweat resistance for tension-free listening. It is a wireless neckband headphone. Tune Active Plus earbuds comes with 10mm dynamic drivers for bass lovers. You can enjoy better sound, more stable connections, and increased wireless range up to 10 meters with latest Bluetooth 5.0 technology. It comes with dual pairing that allows you to simultaneously connect with 2 different devices and is compatible with Android and iOS. It is powered by lithium-ion battery. With 30 minutes of fast charging, you can enjoy 10 hours of playtime, and with 15 minutes of charge, you can enjoy 6 hours of playtime, and it comes with 320 hours of standby time. It comes with built-in inline microphone with single-press voice assistant which works with Siri and Google Assistant. It comes with full remote control for easy control of volume and calls. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.